Hi everyone, Happy New Year and welcome to my YouTube channel, Bullish Signal. Here I will break down how to invest in Nigerian stock market simply and clearly. So if building wealth is on your list of goals this year or you are seeking ways to earn extra income, please feel free to subscribe, like and share my video. Let's support each other and grow together this 2026. You can make serious money investing in Nigerian stock market if you understand how the game is played. All you need to do is stable internet connection and the right guidance to get started. That is exactly where I come in. I will walk you through step by step from beginner level to confident investing right away, no confusion and no guesswork. Again, if you find value in my content, please share my video so more people can benefit too. Also join my free WhatsApp group where I regularly share stock to buy, as the exact price to buy the stock, market insight and strategy. So let's grow together and take advantage of the opportunity in the Nigerian stock market. Just to prove to you that you can really make a very good investment in the Nigerian stock market. For example, I will use these two companies as an example, Ikeja Hotel and Guinness Nigerian PLC. As you can see, on January 1st, 2025, Ikeja Hotel was selling at 14 naira. However, today, the current price has risen from 14 naira to 44 naira 90 kobo, representing an income of around 224% increase in 1 year. For Guinness, as you can see, this is the chart of Guinness Nigerian PLC. On January 1st, 2025, Guinness was selling at 80 naira. However, today the current price has risen to 249 naira 90 kobo, representing an increase of 345%. That is to give you an example how people are making money from the Nigerian stock market. But before I proceed with this trading, first of all, I would like to give you a little bit introduction about myself. My name is Henry and I live in the Netherlands. I have been diving into the Nigerian stock market for over 5 years now. I started my journey in the Nigerian stock exchange market to find a great opportunity to grow my money instead of letting it sit in the savings account with low returns. For example, many Nigerians living abroad save less than $200 or even more per month. Why this might seems like why this might not seems like much in Europe or America. If invested wisely in the Nigerian stock market, that money can turn into a significant income with some knowledge and a good strategy, you can achieve impressive growth. Additionally, the Nigerian stock market gives you a sense of security as you have full control over your investment. All you need to all you need is to enter the exciting world is reliable all you need to enter into the Nigerian stock market. All you need to enter into this exciting world is a reliable internet connection. This access open many opportunity allowing small savings turn into a major financial gains. So this channel is your go-to-go guide for all things regarding Nigerian stock market. Perfect for Nigeria near and far. I am here to transform complete beginner into a savvy investor step by step. So buckle up and join me as we venture into the wide world of the Nigerian stock investment. Let's make this talk work for you. For who is this training for? Are you a Nigeria living in Nigeria or abroad and looking for ways to increase your income? Are you new to stock investing and want to learn a simple way? If so, this training is for you. With proper guidance, this training will help you achieve financial success in stock trading this 2026. What will you learn in this training? In this training, you will learn important information about investing in stock. Here are the main parts I will cover in this training. What is stock market? Here I will give detailed explanation of what the stock market is. Fundamental analysis. I will give you an overview and of an overview of what is the meaning of fundamental analysis and how you can use this to decide which stock to buy. 3. Technical analysis. Here, I would give you more insight into the technical analysis, including strategy to find the best price for buying and also for selling. 4. Risk management techniques. Here, I would explain in details key risk management techniques to protect you, to help you protect your investment. 5. You will have free access to my WhatsApp group. In this group, I will share weekly stock recommendation with a suggested entry price and also your question and also answer your question if you need any help. Why does this training matters? One is because of inflation. With price going up and inflation in Nigeria and around the world, saving money is not enough anymore. If you if your money is not growing, it loses value. Learning about stock trading is important because it helps you make money. It helps you make your money work for you. Invest in good company and make a better financial choice over time. Number 2, the stock market is not a gamble. Nigerian stock trading is important because guessing can lead to losing of money. Understanding market helps you avoid mistake, manage risk, and invest confidently. This market rewards those who are patient and knowledgeable. 3. Financial future. This training is important because your financial future is important. If you want to learn about Nigerian stock and avoid expensive mistake and build long-term wealth, this training is for you. Please stay with me. What is stock market? The stock market is a place where people buy and sell company shares. When you buy shares, you own part of the company. You benefit when the company grows. Company uses the stock market to raise money while investors uses it to build wealth. How to make money from stock? There are two main ways to invest and make money. One is capital appreciation. This approach involves you buying asset at a lower price and the with the intention of selling it at a higher price. Number two is through dividends. Dividends, companies gives part of their earnings back to their shareholder as dividends. So you can choose to invest for short term through trading or take a long term approach for investing. What do you need to invest? To get started, you will need the following: one, bank verification number; two, tax identification number; three, bank account; and four, online stock brokerage account and a CSCS account. What is a stockbroker? A stockbroker is a licensed middleman who helps you buy and sell shares in companies. You cannot buy shares directly from the Nigerian Stock Exchange by yourself. You must go through a stockbroker. For example, think of a stockbroker like a registered agent. When you want to buy a land, the land agent helps you to acquire the land legally and handle the paperwork. So if you want to buy share, the stockbroker buys them for you and manage the process. Who can be a stockbroker? A stockbroker must be officially approved and licensed by by SEC, which is the Security and Exchange Commission. SEC is the SEC is like the government referee. It gives permission to every stockbroker to operate. Without approval, without SEC approval, the broker is illegal. So you need to really watch out for illegal stockbrokers. The stockbroker must be registered with the CSI, Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers. The purpose of CSI ensures brokers are trained and professional. It sets it sets ethical rules and standards. This helps protect investors from careless or unqualified stockbrokers. Three, the stockbroker must be dealing with members of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Only Nigerian Stock Exchange member can trade shares on the exchange. Only a registered stockbroker can trade shares on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. This ensures only verified brokers can enter the market. So if the stockbroker is not registered with a Nigerian Stock Exchange, that means he's not a verified stockbroker. So you also need to watch out for that. Why the regulation of stockbroker exists? The regulation of stockbrokers do exist to protect your money, prevent fraud, keep the market fair and transparent. Who regulates the brokers? SEC, Security and Exchange, are the ones responsible for regulating the stockbrokers. They issue license to the they issue license to the stockbrokers. They monitor the brokers and also punish any misconduct by any brokers. So if you have any experience or any illegitimate stockbroker, you can easily report the matter to SEC, and they will take it into consideration, and they can also punish those stockbroker for any misconduct. What is CSI? Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers. Who regulates the stockbroker? CSI, Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers, train and certify the stockbrokers, enforce that the enforce professional behavior. So, what is Nigerian Stock Exchange Group? The Nigerian Stock Exchange Group controls who trade on the exchange, suspend or remove a bad brokers. Why the regulation matters? These regulations are important because using an unlicensed broker can lead to losing your money. You can lose your money. Not only that, you may be scammed. You and you have no legal protection if you are dealing with unlicensed broker. So to protect your investment before investing, you need to check if the stockbroker is licensed or not. Why licensed stockbroker is very important. With a licensed stockbrokers, your trade are recorded, your shares are stored safely in the CSCS, and you can report any issues to the Nigerian SEC, and you are also protected by law with a licensed stockbroker. List of licensed stockbroker. I made a list of online licensed stockbroker. They are different reliable online brokers, but you also need to do your research to check which is best for you. So most I m- if you looking for a reliable stockbroker, and also you also need to consider the charges for uh, the brokers that also offer good charges. So Medistime Security Limited is also a good one, and Morgan Capital Security is also a good one. But the interesting thing about the Morgan Capital Security Limited, their charges are less expensive. So uh, I have an account with Medistime, and I also have an account with Morgan Capital. You can also try any of that. So after you're done with your registration and your online stockbroking account is open, this is a process flow, how it works. This is your online, this is your stock brokerage account. After funding your account, you can easily buy or sell your asset. So this is how it goes. When you place a buy or sell order, this order is executed in the stock exchange market. After this order is executed, the information is sent to the CSCS. The CSCS will record the ownership of your transaction. And after that is done, it will be sent to your stockbroker and it will be updated in your online stock brokerage account. So we have reached the end of our first training session. In the next video, I will be discussing fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and also risk management. So if you find my content helpful, please like and share my video so others can benefit as well. Also join my free WhatsApp group where I regularly share stock to buy, exact price, and market insight and strategies. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. And please do not forget to like and share my video.